Hold on. Hey, Mr. President, Style and Impala in SA. We going crazy. Calling up stars like it's nothing.
Drake, you're soft with feelings, I'm the stone cold facts. All that mellow talk, I will snap your records back. Travis, loud lights, smoke, flash, raise the craft. Pretty stage, empty lines, I'm the aftermath. Dodge viral clips, cute face, shallow the verse. I break the surface, make the internet reverse. Cardi talking big moves, but it's all about the show. I pull curtains, watch fake followers fold. Nicki Queen image, but your crown got cracks. Kendrick legend, respect, don't make that mistake. But every drone gets tested, I'll shake what you take. Worldwide, no mercy for the plastic parader. I'm the cold review coming from the deals you made. You sell life of shine, I sell truth, draw pain. I'll take headlines and flip them into my lane. Drake, you are chasing hits, I'm chasing the legacy. You trade for home numbers, I speed the ready-me. Travis, your crowd chest, but your vest don't hit. I bring bar after bar, make the culture flip the shit. Dodge are pretty hooks, but raise the spine. I strip the filters, show your lines out of time. Cardi and Nicki headlines in the cloud. I take my public, watch fans have it out. Kendrick again, I said respect, but what's the test? I'm the earthquake under your crowns, not just another guest. I expose deals, fake friends, hiding deals on the cramp. I call receipts, no lies, I got a real slam. You talk rich life, I talk nights, you never live. I'm the voice of the street, the truth you never give.